Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to generate egg blocks with AI and turn that output into a full affiliate article inside WordPress. Content Egg now includes more than 20 editorial egg blocks. These blocks help you build structured sections for trust, EEAT, decision-making, and conversions. And the nice part is this: you do not need to write every block by hand. You can generate them with AI. Let me show you how it works. First, open ChatGPT, Claude, or another AI chat tool. Then paste in the skill URL and ask the AI to read it. Once the skill is loaded, tell the AI what you want to create. For this example, I want to build an article around this Amazon product. So I start with research. I ask the AI to research the pros and cons of the product. The AI collects real user feedback. The AI returns the result as plain prose. That is useful because I can review the ideas first before turning them into blocks. Then I ask a simple follow-up. Generate a pros and cons block. And now the AI creates a fully formatted egg block. I copy the result, go back to WordPress, and paste it directly into the editor. That's it. If needed, I can also change the visual variant. So that is the basic idea for a single block. Now let's do the same thing for a full article. First, I ask the AI to suggest a block flow for the full review. This helps me check the structure before generating everything. When the outline looks good, I give the next prompt: generate the full article as blocks. Now the AI outputs the whole article in egg block markup. I copy it, paste it into the WordPress editor, and now I have a full structured article. So at this point, the writing and structure are done. But there is still one important step. The AI does not know your actual Content Egg products by default, so product-related blocks still need to be connected to real products. To do that, I add the product to the post using a Content Egg module. In this example, I use the Amazon module. Now I select the product card block and bind the product to that block. Once the product is bound, the block combines two things. It keeps the static editorial content created by AI, like the title, description, or badge. And it also pulls live data from Content Egg, such as the product image, price, stock status, and affiliate link. That is what makes this workflow so useful. You get fast AI-generated structure and copy, but the important commerce data still comes from Content Egg. Now let me show you an even better workflow. The AI can bind products automatically if you give it product data in advance. So let's add another product to the article. I search for the Sennheiser Momentum 4 and add it as a competitor. Then I click the button to copy all product data from this post to the clipboard. Now I go back to the AI. This time, I ask for a comparison table and a quick picks block. And below that prompt, I paste the product data. Now the AI knows exactly which products are available and how to refer to them correctly inside the blocks. So when I copy the result back into WordPress, the product slots are already linked to the correct products automatically, and that saves even more time. This is just a basic example, but you can build a very strong workflow around it. For example, you can create a dedicated ChatGPT or Claude project for egg blocks. Paste the skill.md content into the project context. Then add your own rules, like your writing style, your preferred structure, or specific block recipes for different article types. And if you want to go even further, you can automate parts of the publishing workflow through REST or MCP. But that deserves its own separate guide. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.